In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Instagram notification sound. So if you want to change or modify your Instagram notification sound, you can do this on Android and you can do this on iPhone. So if at the end of this video, you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to change your Instagram notification sound, the first thing you want to do is open the Instagram application on your device. Now, while on Instagram, click on your profile icon at the bottom right. Then, on the page, you want to click on this red line at the top right, which is the menu icon. Click on this. Now, this is going to open the Instagram settings and activities. Then under the settings and activities, scroll to how you use Instagram. And under this, click on notifications. Now, wait for the notification page to load. And once the notification page loads, then scroll down. Then click on that. Here, if you see your Instagram notifications, then you can just turn off all this or change the settings according to your need. Then hit the back button. Then that is going to save. Then also come down to birthday. If you want to stop receiving Instagram birthday notifications, turn this off. Then under birthday, you see you have access to additional option in system settings. Then if you want to stop receiving notifications from Instagram, then come here and turn off reminder. Product announcement and feedback, turn off reminder. Then turn off support request. Then trending places, you can also turn this off. You can also configure this in your system settings. So if you click on there, additional system settings here, this is going to open your phone settings. Now, to configure or change the Instagram notifications here, all you need to do here is click on notification category. Then once you select the notification category, then you have access to all the notification categories on Instagram. Now select what you want to turn off here, whether you want to disable Instagram direct notifications, direct request, video chats, or notifications. Then here, allow notifications, I want to turn this off. Then under Instagram TV notifications, disable notifications. So this is going to turn off or disable all notifications on Instagram. Then you can also come back here now on this page. While on this page where it says apps notification, turn off notifications on Instagram, you can see all notifications from these apps are blocked. So all notifications from Instagram is not blocked on your device. So this is how you can easily change Instagram notification without stress. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.